Right, so today we are back at Huia Street Level Crossing in Utiku as there's been a change. So, the Griswold mechanical bell and the Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bells are now sadly gone. So we've now got Western Cullen Hayes e-bells on either side of the crossing, as you can see. And however though, the rest of the crossing is still the same, as we've still got Montrose of Penrose LED lights on all sides of the crossing. And interestingly enough, we've still got the bells offsetting and signs here, which I'm quite surprised about, as I would have thought that Kiwi Rail would have taken the opportunity to put the e-bells on the quiet setting here. But well, I reckon maybe the reason why maybe they've chosen to keep the bells offsetting it as this crossing probably doesn't get much traffic at night, but I don't know. So yeah. And they've also got Westinghouse control boxes over there too, as you can see. So yeah, with that said and done, let's now go and wait for some trains.